Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. It's me Saugat from Techmates. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to change your password in ChatGPT. First of all, open ChatGPT and then press on login. Then enter your Gmail address and then go to forgot password. After clicking that link, go to continue and then ChatGPT will send a mail to your Gmail address. Open your mail and open the mail that ChatGPT has sent you. Then click on reset password and then you're good to go to change your password. So as you can see, I have changed my password. Now let's go ahead and keep the new password that we just set. This tutorial was about how to change your ChatGPT password. Hope this video was helpful. Like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.